Okay, today's secrets of our salad. Nanari, blood purification and reverse diabetes. There's some chili there for our chutney. There's some lemons for the juice and the salad. There's a bit of corn with this amazing corn silk, which tastes absolutely delicious when you cook with it. There's a little bit of beans and okra. Here's our most wonderful butterfly pea, which for our juice. There's some pumpkin flowers that probably we're going to stick in the salad. There's a bit of balloon vine that goes in the chutney, green papaya for the salad, pumpkin tendrils and the tender tips, which are just delicious raw or in a salad or in a stir fry, drumstick spinach for the chutney, wing bean leaves. These are really special, really sweet. There's the Telinium triangulare, the chicken spinach, sweet potato leaves, a little flower from the soursop that looks so beautiful, rosella, some curry leaf, nice in the salad dressing and very medicinal. Soursop leaves for the juice, a little bit of radish, the guduchi, the gilloy, which we will put again in our chutney. It's one of the nectars of immortality. Bit of basella spinach, some tudavale, some climbing brinjal, highly medicinal for respiratory problems, banana flower, bale fruit leaves, the kirinelli, which we won't put in our salad, but very medicinal, good for jaundice. The guava leaves, the manatakali. This is horsetail millet. That's not for the salad, but I took it because we need a few extra seeds, and I thought that's so great. We have the horsetail millet from the field. Turkey berry, ponangani spinach, cucumber hibiscus, and tamarind leaves. That's today's secrets of our salads.